Hello there, I'm Dr. Tajuddin, a dermatologist practicing in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And today I'm going to talk about 10 common skincare mistakes you are probably making. It's very important that you should keep a good skincare routine to keep your skin glowing and flawless. If you don't follow up a good skincare routine, what will happen is it will give you skin inflammation, dryness, redness, and can cause acne breakout. So, what are those common mistakes? Number one mistake is not washing your face in the morning and the night. The germs from the pillow cover, bed sheet, bedspread, blanket, and oil from the scalp can block your skin. And in the morning, the pollution, the dirt, and the oil from external sources can block your skin, can lead to acne breakout and damage your skin. So it's very important to wash your skin, especially the facial skin, in the morning and in the night. But use only the cleansing lotion with a pH around 5.5. Don't use soap. The second common mistake is sleeping with your makeup on. Please don't go to bed with your makeup on. What will happen is in the morning you are exposed to sun and pollution, and then the repair work will start in the night. While getting it repaired, new cells are formed which will push through to the surface and all cells are shed. With the makeup on, the cells won't shed off, giving a bad complexion, and it can also lead to acne breakout. The third mistake is over exfoliating and scrubbing. Rubbing and scrubbing is okay if you are doing it in once a week or twice a week. Too much rubbing and scrubbing will lead to inflammation, irritation, and that can lead to acne breakout. It will damage the skin also, especially around the eyes, which is a very delicate skin and thinnest part of our body. Fourth one is not using moisturizer. It doesn't matter what type of skin you are having. Even if it's dry or oily, you like to use moisturizer. For dry skin, moisturizers are available, and for oily skin, water-based moisturizers are available. If you don't use moisturizer, it can damage your skin and causing wrinkles, especially around the eyes. So use moisturizer regularly. Fifth one is neglecting your neck. Neck is a major giveaway of a person's age. So if you don't apply moisturizer or you use harsh soap, it can give you wrinkles and lines. So you like to use proper cleansing lotion, mild cleansing lotion to the neck also, up to the collarbone. And the sixth one is not using sunscreen. You must have heard 1,000 times to use sunscreen. And most of the people don't use the sunscreen because they feel it is messy to use. So use a proper sunscreen while going out. The seventh one is not hydrating enough. Proper hydration is very important for your overall health and as well as for the skin health. You have to have plenty of water. Along with that, healthy diet and fruits and vegetables should be included, and also vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. Eighth one is taking hot showers. It will feel like heaven after a good workout or in a cold climate. But it will actually dry up your skin. It will lead to irritation, inflammation that can cause acne breakout. So use lukewarm water to take bath in all the seasons. The ninth common mistake is using and selecting wrong products for your skin. It is very important that you should select a good product that suits your skin, and you have to test it over a small area, then only you can use it properly. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, you should consult a dermatologist. Otherwise, it will cause damage to your skin. Don't fall for the products which are being advertised in the magazines and the TV and in social media. You have to test it out, and then only you will find out which is suitable for you. Going to a doctor or a dermatologist can be intimidating for some people. But if you have big problems like acne and dryness or inflammation on the face, you should better consult a dermatologist. Now online consultation is available, so please make use of it. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood the mistakes you are probably making, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll come back again soon with another interesting topic. Till then, please take care and namaste.